Where are we going? Up?
This way.
Right.
All right, brother.
Well, let us know how you guys do, man.
Sure will.
Still here, we'll probably be coming back the same way. If not, Oscar Outdoors on YouTube. Oh, okay. Oscar Outdoors.
Black and yellow label. You'll see the thumbnail. You see my ugly face on there. Yeah, let me know what's up, brother.
Yep.
Let me get out of your way over here. Let's go this way. Yes, sir. So what do you think, man? What are your expectations?
I got high hopes. I have a feeling we're gonna get some white bass, but I'm confident we'll get something else too. I'll settle for anything.
Me too, man. We'll hit all the way to the back and then fish our way back up.
Easy. Beautiful day out here today. Got a good feeling about it. We keep going upstream, and we're bringing them home, baby.
Good.
Good.
All right, we're almost to the end over here, and we're gonna get out and fish for a little bit and try to hook into some fish. See what's up. All right, so I do see some white bass swimming underneath us. We're in about 2.5 feet of water, and they're in there, down in the water. All right, everybody, so we got to the end where it's all shallow. A bunch of little minnows and stuff in the water. That's good. And
white bass.
yeah. Whoa.
Something big jumped.
Big old bass went to go
big jumps
taking out, eating those minnows over there.
A lot of big jumps on the way over here.
A lot of big jumps. So we're gonna go ahead and pull our stuff.
Water's colder right here.
Oh yeah, man. I guess that's why they call it gravel crossing, huh? All right. See you guys when we get to the other side. All right, we went ahead and dragged the kayaks out the other side of that shallow area, and we're paddling the rest of the way, looking for these whites. Or any fish, any species. Won't matter to me. See anything down there? Oh, that feels good. Yeah, it's a bitch. Woo! Yeah, I've caught them right here before.
Dude.
Go fish in that hole right there. It gets deep right there in that hole in front of you.
This one?
Yeah, right in front of you. That big ass hole right there. That's a big hole. Like 10, 13 feet. We could just put the kayak to the side and fish right here. Because I've caught fish right here. Oh, look. Look, 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 look.
I got a little tiny bite on the little lip right there.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ready? Ready? White. Oh, regular bass.
Yeah.
Oh.
There it is.
You get him off the hook, man.
Good job, man.
First fish of the day.
There you go.
Is it 14, you think? Nah, he's little. He ain't quite a keeper, you guys. What we got there, a bass? It's a pretty one. Look at his mouth, all white.
Yeah.
He's kind of beat up. He ain't that pretty. All right, man. Let's release him.
Nice.
All right. Is that a fish?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
You got your drag set?
Tighter?
No, no. Let it off a little. Yeah, not too much. Little at a time. There you go. Perfect. What you got, dude? Christopher, not too tight. Easy. Hold on. Let me put my pole down. What do you got?
You recording?
Yeah. Dude, tighten a little bit at a time. Just take it easy. What are you fighting? Dude, what are you fighting? Christopher, where are you at? What is it?
Oh, shit.
Take it easy.
Okay.
Easy.
Okay.
That might be a big cat.
Okay.
What? Just mind your drag. Play it in. You got all day. This is what we're here for, bro.
Okay. Calm down.
Don't let them get into any cover. Don't let them get into the right over here. Just work them slowly. You got it. What do you think?
I don't know. It's fighting like.
Whoa, Christopher, what do you got, dude? Easy, easy. Don't back reel. There you go. Only reeling when he gives you slack. Keep that nose up, dude. What did you hook up to? Oh, dude. Don't let him go too far over there. Christopher, you got your pole bent.
What is it, bro?
That's off that minnow, right?
Yep.
Oh my God.
What did I get?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Christopher, don't let him go over there. Don't let him go over there. And watch it, keep an eye on that drag. We just barely threw in, you guys.
Keep his nose up.
We haven't even seen what it is yet. Oh my God. Take it easy. Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm putting this pole to the works today. Come on, baby.
Let him get tired. Let that drag do its thing. I want to see it.
I want to see what it is.
Just take it easy, because when he comes up, he's going to go crazy.
See him.
What is it? Take it easy. It's nice and slow. Nice and slow.
A big bass, I think. Oh my
That's a big cat.
God. Nose up, baby.
Take it easy. Take it easy. He'll get scared and come.
Nose
Dude,
up.
that's food. You got dinner. Woo!
Nose up, baby. Nose up. I'll bring him close to you.
You go ahead and land him.
I think he's hooked good.
I'll hold the pole for you. Oh, dang.
Damn! Oh, muscle, baby!
Excellent.
Woohoo! Oh, easy now.
Let's get him up on the dry ground.
Easy now. Let's get a zoom in on the hook set.
Look at that, baby. Oh, he got him good.
He wasn't getting off.
No.
But he could have snapped my line, but he didn't.
Yeah, let's put him on the stringer, dude.
Oh my God.
That's cool. Yay! Yeah, I saw one big old white bass up there.
I saw it too.
Just one. It's a regular little bass. All right. A Another little one. Let him go.
How far up y'all go?
Pretty damn far.
All the way up to the, I think the third sandbar. Some of them guys catching a couple of whites up there. He caught a big old cat and some small bass. Usually around this time, you can see them in the water, just thick.
Pretty little cat.
He had fun reeling that in, didn't he?
You got with a light pole too,
Right.
light tackle. I was having fun watching them reel it in.
Oh, I bet.
It's fun.
Well, we didn't catch too many white bass. I didn't catch one at all. This guy
Small bass.
caught the big catfish today.
Caught a catfish.
Did catch some small bass, and if we do have any luck here in a little bit, y'all guys are gonna see it here in a little bit. Got myself a nice crappie. All right. Fish this, there's a black crappie. Look at that stripe on him, guys. It's pretty. Look at that stripe on him. Can y'all see that? He got his eye jacked up, but look at that. That's a pretty one. Look at that stripe on his head. Black crappie.
Oh wow. Nice.
Okay.
Look at the color. Look at the pattern on that baby.
Oh yeah.
Nice sure it's nice looking fish.
See, they're good eating. All right, got him on the stringer. There we go. I'm teaching you how to do it, dude. You gotta jig it. So they feed from the bottom up. So kind of like start from the top and go to the bottom. Don't touch the bottom completely. All right. Got another one, baby. All right. Well, we didn't get those white bass, but we got the crappie. Paper mouths, that's what we used to call them. All right. Now we're on to something. I think I found a brush pile right here. I'm gonna brush pile right here. Oh, look. Quitter. I'm not playing, dude. Come over here. We got another one, you guys. Look at that. Another nice one. Keepers. All right. Number 3. Come over and catch one of these. It'll be your first crappie. I know it's kind of hard in the current, but try to get on the other side of this log. Yeah, the bite's gonna feel like a snag, but it's not, dude. And then when you feel it, lift up real fast, okay? Just pull up real fast. You don't really wanna, nothing too crazy. There it is.
Another one? How y'all doing over there? Oh, okay. Big catching? I should just cut another one right now when I called you. We're catching crappie right now. We're on a good spot where they're hitting. But I did catch the first catch of the day, and it's a big ass catfish I caught. Yeah. You got it all on video, and I caught it on my smallest boat. And when I was telling you I wanted to catch a catfish.
Killer. Killer. What the hell? Oh no. There he goes. He went under a fucking branch. Come on this spot, man. Another one.
How many you got so far?
Crappie, crappie, crappie. I caught 4, but I let one go because he's too little. They got to be 10. He's kind of little. There you go. Pull him up. You're dragged. Don't lose them. That's a good one. It's a keeper. That's a crappie. Here, let's go over there. Let's go see that. That's your first one, huh? Good one. Don't have to measure this one to know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Keep it on. I'm coming. Easy. What you got? Are you on something?
No, trust me. This stuff is on here, buddy.
Something's on there?
Yeah. Pull and drag.
But is it stuck on a log or?
Whoa.
He's going, he's out, he's out. Easy, easy. What you got, man? Big old bass? I think you're good, dude. Just get him. He's right there under you. Don't let him get in that wood. Easy. Easy. Don't let him get over there. Get him out. Oh, oh. Go this way. Go this way. Oh, fuck. What the fuck?
Dude, what the fuck was that?
Oh, no.
Holy shit.
You had another big old catfish or something. Golly. He broke you off, dude, on the log. Wonder what it was. A big old catfish. Dang, y'all see that, you guys? Fish on. Crappie. Oh, it's a big old one. God dang, guys, look at this. Look at the size of this crappie. Woo! That's a slam. Look at that. That's my hand.
Nice.
That's a big crappie. Let's see. What is that thing? Oh yeah, he's a good 12 or 13. Ooh, 12. Well, so far, nobody like that much. Nice, nice one. Yeah, big one, look. Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, biggest one, man, so far. This is a big guy. That's a big guy. Let's hook him up. Yes. No. 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 Got him. He's in the back, watch. Bam!
Oh, we got some, dude, we got a pretty good little thing there. Right? Bam. Let's start making our way upstream.
Yeah,
I think it's successful. We didn't get the white bass we were looking for, but we're not leaving empty-handed. Catfish, some crappie.
You got the big one of the day, didn't you?
Got the big one of the day.
Lost a couple of fish also.
Lost a couple.
A big one as well.
A lot of action.
Yeah, truth, you guys, it was a pretty badass day of fishing. Ain't gonna lie, you guys. We're gonna have to definitely come out and do it again, man. So I'm just following the bones down, the ribs, just like that. All the way down the belly meat. Move the catfish this way. Flip the fillet over just like this. Got a fillet. All right, we're gonna do a bunch more like that, you guys, and then get to frying them. All right, so my brother's gonna go ahead and he wants to go ahead and just fry some whole. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So my brother's going ahead and he's just scaling that right there with an ordinary spoon. That's the fastest way to get scales off, you guys. That's a beautiful piece of catfish you got there, sir. Did you catch that bad boy the other day?
Sure did. He gave me a hell of a fight. And now it's gonna make a hell of a bite.
All right. Hey, you guys, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to our other brother, Ralph Rodriguez out there in San Antonio. Hey, he hooked us up with that kayak so my brother could get out there and catch these fish. Hey, man, this is for you, man. Hooking you up with some crappie fillets, freshly caught from the Lampasas River. Also gonna hook them up with a little bit of that catfish, huh? Hey, if you don't guys got a little vacuum sealer, man, those are real good to have, especially if you catch fishing. If you like to save your meats and stuff, whether you do anything, bird hunting, deer or whatever, it works real good. Save your food. Freezes good too. There you go, Ralph. Bam. Start off with these crappie fillets here. Into the beer batter is what we're preparing. Get nice and close in there, sir. All right. Here we go. Just like that. You want to make sure it's nice and hot. And that beer batter is nice and thick. Shake it off, shake off that excess and lay it in. And get that batter bowl close to your pan so you're not dripping it all over the place. But you guys already know that.
Yeah, I think it's ready.
Yeah, you remember that last catch and cook we did a long time ago, man, with the alligator gar, the catfish and the cichlid, Rio Grande cichlid. And we're just talking about that, you know, Long John Silvers and stuff compared to, you know, how you make it yourself just like this here.
It just doesn't compare.
Don't compare. You know where we caught it from. It was different species you're tasting. I mean, you don't get any better than that, man.
Get any better than that.
You know how you're cooking it with the ingredients. Because, you know, good food is always, you know, made with good ingredients.
Yep, and Long Johns don't come with adventure.
All right, now I'll go ahead and put these catfish fingers in there. Right in the beer batter. Get them right in the oil. Now we'll go ahead and let those fry up and see you in a little bit.
Now these last three, we're gonna do the old school way. We're just gonna put a little flour over the seasoning to give them a little more crisp when you fry them up. You don't want it to sit too long. You don't want it to turn into dough. And that's about all you need, a light dusting of flour.
Right. And
Straight
then
into the grease, one at a time.
and hot grease, right?
Hot grease, high temperature. They don't take long, so you just flip them in just under a minute. And we'll show you the finished product coming up. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're gonna dice a bunch of tomatoes, like so. We'll incorporate some diced red onions,
Right.
and we're gonna be kind of soaking them in a fish sauce and some spicy chili oil and crushed peanuts. And
Nice. And drizzle that on top of
that's
the
gonna
crappie.
be kind of a dressing on top of the fried crappie.
Okay.
Go.
You push it.
It's already going. It's never stopped.
Oh, it never stopped. All right, here it goes, everybody. Take a look at that. That's that crappie we got. Now we're gonna take a bite. Here you go. Got a piece right here. Oh man.
Set the plate down.
Check this out. Whoa. Mm-hmm. A little bit of tomato. Some rice. A little seaweed paper. Like that. Go get yourself some, guys. Thank you for watching Oscar Outdoors, y'all. Take it easy.